Meaning of eschew.
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 Eschew. Eschew means to deliberately abstain or keep away from something, usually because it is perceived as being harmful or undesirable. This word is often used to describe a conscious decision to avoid a particular behavior or activity. For example, someone may eschew alcohol if they have had negative experiences with it in the past or want to maintain a healthy lifestyle. By eschewing something, a person is demonstrating self-control and discipline, and may be able to avoid negative consequences that could result from engaging in the behavior or activity in question.